This is Helen, an architect who needs to mark up drawings during a design review. For some architects, this means bulky stacks of printed drawings, expensive courier fees, and wasted time. But with Review, Helen collaborates with a contractor in New York and an engineer in London on the same set of PDF drawings. Each project partner works with their own set of markups, customized for their discipline. Helen keeps track of all markups and status changes as the drawings are updated, receiving feedback from all her project partners in real time. Accelerate your design reviews. Download a trial of Bluebeam Review today. This is Jim, an estimator performing quantity takeoffs to bid on a new project. For some estimators, this means using multiple apps or expensive takeoff software that uses file formats that cannot be easily shared. But with Review, Jim adds measurements directly onto PDF drawings, tracks data in real time, and links quantities directly to Excel to create a more accurate and comprehensive bid. And since Jim's takeoff was done in PDF, a universal file format, his measurement data can be accessed and used by other teams throughout the entire project. Gain the competitive edge with your bids. Download a trial of Bluebeam Review today. This is Helen, an architect who needs to review and approve project submittals. For some architects, this means piles of paper and stamping by hand. But with Review, Helen can respond to submittals digitally by adding comments, verifying measurements, and adding stamps to one page or multiple pages, all with a few simple clicks. Once approved, she can return the submittals so the contractors can purchase materials and begin installation. With Review, Helen keeps her projects running smoothly. Simplify your submittal reviews. Download a trial of Bluebeam Review today. This is Kevin, a contractor who needs to verify the finished height for a light fixture. For some contractors, this means manually filling out a form they'll have to later scan and email back at the office. But with Review, Kevin creates a digital RFI and shares it from the job site with the architect. The architect evaluates the RFI in Review and responds with a quick sketch and comment. Back on the job site, Kevin receives the information he needs, and his team is able to get back to work. Keep your projects on track. Download a trial of Bluebeam Review today. This is Rob, a contractor who's about to go on a punch walk. For some contractors, this means using paper drawings and handwritten notes. But with Review, Rob indicates issues by adding markups directly to a PDF drawing, as well as photos and videos for further visual clarity. Then Rob shares reports of all punch items with specialty contractors who update markup statuses when the issues have been fixed. With Review, Rob easily streamlines his punch process. Achieve timely project closeouts. Download a trial of Bluebeam Review today. This is Richard, an owner whose building has just been completed. Today, his general contractor is handing over all final project documents. For some owners, this means receiving boxes, binders, and rolls of paper. But because Richard's general contractor used Review, Richard is receiving digital O&M manuals. So when something like an air filter needs to be replaced, the building maintenance team can quickly find the make and model for the replacement filter without searching through stacks of paper. Easily access the information you need. Download a trial of Bluebeam Review today. Paul, the superintendent, Will, the general contractor, and Jen, the project manager, are meeting digitally in real time to hash out the site logistics of their job site. For some builders, this means manually marking up paper plans. But with Review, Paul and his team document machinery locations and material staging with scalable markup tools, highlight regions on the drawing per phase, and manage all phases using layers. With Review, all project partners can view the most up-to-date site plans. Digitally manage and access your site logistics. Download a trial of Bluebeam Review today.